Want a kitchen that makes everyone stop and stare? The secret isn't just appliances or countertops, it's the cabinets. Install them right and your kitchen instantly feels custom, polished, and professional. In this video, we'll walk you through every step to install your cabinets perfectly, from layout to finishing touches, so you can achieve a flawless kitchen makeover. Start by measuring every wall, window, door, and floor detail. Mark where each cabinet will go and account for corners, appliances, and utilities. Proper planning now makes installation smooth and stress-free later. Find the highest point on your floor to set the base cabinet line, typically 34.5 inches from the floor. Then mark the bottom line for wall cabinets, usually 54 inches up. Use a laser or spirit level to extend these lines across the walls for precise alignment. Install a temporary ledger board along the wall cabinet line. It supports your cabinets while you secure them, ensuring perfect alignment and saving you effort. Start with the corner cabinet. Find the studs, pre-drill, and secure the cabinet with screws. Use clamps and screws to join adjoining cabinets, checking for level and alignment as you go. This first row sets the stage for a flawless installation. With wall cabinets in place, move on to the base cabinets. Set each cabinet along your reference line, use shims to adjust for uneven floors, and secure it to studs. Check level and alignment consistently. It ensures a perfect countertop fit later. Install doors and drawers, adjust hinges for even gaps, and attach handles or knobs. These finishing touches make your kitchen look polished and professional. Add trim, toe kicks, and crown molding for a clean, finished look. Step back and admire your work. A perfectly installed cabinet system is the foundation of a stunning kitchen. Cabinet installation may seem challenging, but with careful planning and attention to detail, anyone can achieve professional results. Follow these steps and you'll have a kitchen that's not only functional, but also stylish and lasting for years to come. Subscribe for more step-by-step home improvement guides and transform your space with confidence.